gusto mo i-cite ko na? Paano-ano pa yung mukha mo eh? You're not respecting this committee. And I warn you, this will be the last. Kanina nang tinatanong kita, akala mo hindi kita babalikan? Now you admit that is all about your command responsibility. Well, in fact, magtuturuan na, asyerto, dinideny mo. Of course, your words against the words of asyerto. Now, eto si Jed. Did you really interrogate personally, Jed Pilapil?
Yun nga, Mr. Chair, hindi ko kasi maalala na nakinausap ko siya. Basta ang alam ko, nasa opisina siya, Mr. Chair.
Ayun
And
yung
I
problema.
don't lie, Mr. Chair.
You're not lying, you lie. Just a few minutes ago, sa harap ko, sinabi mo na delegated, that authority was delegated to your personnel.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nung tinanong ka ni Chairman Akop, inamin mo. Question of command responsibility. Are you not lying?
No, Mr. Chair.
Also, Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt General Wilkins. Pasensyahan po tayo dito. In violation of Section C, Section 11, letter C, of our rules. So move, Mr. Chairman. Pinagbigyan na nga kita. Yun pa ang sagot mo?
Kung pakiwarin ninyo doon sa ginawa na pag-contempt kay former PDEA Director General Wilkins Villanueva.
Makikita mo naman no, sa hearing no kung anong ginawa nila kay Wilkins Villanueva. Talagang super abuse of power yung ginagawa nila. Dahil lang hindi nila gusto yung katotohanan na nanggagaling kay General Wilkins Villanueva. Sabihin na kanila na lying. So, anong magagawa ni Wilkins? Na that's the truth as far as he is concerned. Tapos sa kanila, sa Quadcom, that's a lie as far as Quadcom is concerned. Kasi sarado ng utak nila talaga na talagang gusto nila makuha yung naratibo na gusto nila. So, hindi po maganda ang nangyayari sa ating bansa ngayon. Hindi na talaga maganda. Sobra ng abuso.